We'll guide you through how to create a zoom transition in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by importing the video clips you want to work with. Drag the first clip onto the timeline, then add the second clip right after it. To create the zoom transition, click on the first clip and go to the transition effect options. Look for the zoom category and choose the effect that suits your style, such as zoom in or zoom out. Drag your chosen effect between the two clips on the timeline. You can adjust the duration of the transition by clicking on the effect and dragging its edges in the timeline to either shorten or lengthen it, depending on how fast or slow you want the transition to be. Next, you need to refine the zoom effect. Click on the transition to open the settings panel, where you can adjust the intensity and direction of the zoom to make it more dynamic or subtle. Play around with these settings until you get the desired effect. Remember, you can always preview the transition by hitting the play button above the timeline to see how it looks with your video clips. Once you're satisfied with the transition, you can export your video by clicking on the Export button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution and format, then hit Export to save your project. That's it. You've successfully created a zoom transition in CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.